Stocks are still the best of all the alternatives present in this era of inflation. This is one of the famous quotes stated by Warren Buffett. Hello everyone, Akshita this side and you are watching Sounds of Finance. Investing in equities is an important investment that we make to generate inflation-beating returns. This all we have learnt in our previous session. So do watch that video before watching this from the description box. So now before wasting our time, let's start. We have often heard invest in equities, invest in shares, invest in stock market. So first of all, let's learn what is stock market. Stock market is as same as supermarket. In supermarket, we give money and in return, we buy the things that are required in our daily routine. Similarly, in stock market, we give money and in return, we buy the shares of companies from the stock market. Let's learn where is stock market. Stock market do not exist in a physical form nowadays. Nowadays it exists in an electronical form. We can buy shares, sell shares by sitting at our home electronically. There exists a stockbroker who acts as an intermediary person between buyer, seller and a stock exchange. Main stock exchanges of India are NSE, that is National Stock Exchange, and BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. At some point of time, there also exists some regional stock exchanges, that is Bangalore Stock Exchange and Madras Stock Exchange. There are 4 categories of market participants. Domestic retail investors. These are the investors like you and me who invest in stock market. NRIs. NRIs are the persons who are Indians but at present they are living abroad. Domestic institution. The best example of domestic institution is LIC. Foreign institutional investors. Foreign institutional investors are those big corporates of foreigners who invest in Indian stock market and Indian companies. Everyone's agenda in stock market is to have a profitable transaction. Buy when prices are low and sell when prices are high. In India, the regulatory body of stock market is SEBI, that is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. It keeps a close eye on stockbroker, stock exchanges, retail investors, market participants, big companies, corporates and etc. At last, I just want to conclude with this that if you want to have a great returns like 15 to 18% of returns, then you are at a right place, that is to invest in equities, invest in stock market. If you like my video, then do subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.